Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix time dim on iPhone lock screen after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method number 1. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Method number 2. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Method number 3. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.